Everyone has a personal brand. It's what people say about you when you're not in the room. What do people say about you? That's your actual personal brand. These days, it's the strong personal brands within an organisation that add the most value to a company. Having a strong personal brand and professional reputation will earn you more money, get you promoted faster, attract better business opportunities, and get you more clients with less work. You'll also get more referrals, even from people who have not done business with you themselves. The thing is, like it or not, you are whoever Google says you are. The only way the market will know what you've done or are doing is if you tell them. With almost 800 million users worldwide, LinkedIn has taken ownership of the personal branding and thought leadership spaces and offers you an effective way to promote yourself to your target market as an industry expert. My name is Steve Bruce, and I'm a Hong Kong-based independent LinkedIn trainer. I help senior executives, business owners, and corporate teams to present themselves powerfully on LinkedIn. At workshop number 3 in my LinkedIn for Business series, you'll learn what personal branding is and why you need to manage yours, how Google will manage it for you if you don't take charge of it yourself, how to create a profile of yourself as an industry authority both online and offline, and how to build your own personal brand using LinkedIn. To learn more, get in touch with me at stevebruce@sbconsulting.com.hk. I'm looking forward to helping you soon.